You know, you're always reading how people are not prepared for retirement, that they're not saving, and so many people are just kind of clueless about what to do. And so I really wish that the dividend machine, that people were more aware of what's out there with Bill's and his dividend machine, that they could go ahead and start today. They could actually start today and buy one stock. They could buy one share, 50 shares, 100 shares, whatever they feel comfortable with. And they could see what a difference it would make in their life. And they would be prepared for retirement. The saddest thing for me in the world was when I was getting ready to retire, and some of the teachers came up to me, and some were older than I was, and they said that they would never be able to retire because they had not saved any money outside of the teacher retirement. And I said, you know, I've been telling you about, you know, the Roths and the 403B, and they said, I know, but I never knew how to get started. And so I think Bill is a great starting place for someone that feels that way, that they feel lost, and he's just kind of like a guiding light. Oh, I think the dividend machine is perfect for a new investor. Well, actually, new, older investor, whatever. It answers so many questions that you might have. And the guidance is amazing. It's just, the way it's written is just so straightforward. And Bill is, actually he's funny and entertaining to read, but basically he's right on the mark. I actually was in an investment club, and I mentioned it to them because we were always concerned about growth stocks. But I said, you know what, we need to look at dividend paying stocks, and I brought the Dividend Machine newsletter with me, and they looked at it and they were impressed, the ladies, because it was formed of 12 ladies. And that was just recently. And so we were talking about newsletters, and some wrote down the name for their own personal portfolio besides what we did as a club. Okay, so when I first started with the dividend machine, I started very slowly because I felt like I was on my own with a little help, you know, with Bill's newsletter. And I start watching what he was recommending, and I just start buying what I thought were really good, strong dividend stocks that he recommended, and they had done so well. And then he started recommending some stocks that did not pay dividends, and I was not buying those, and I was keeping up with them. And I thought, wow, you know, they have done so well. And so I've started buying basically all his picks. And so that's the best thing I could have ever done, because our gains have been enormous. And so my husband's happy and I'm happy. Okay, the financial piece we have gained from owning a dividend machine has translated into better nights of sleep, less stress, definitely a lot less stress. Without the dividend machine, I know I would not be financially where I'm at today. Because I guess we lost so much money paying a financial advisor that that is just, I mean, I feel sad about that. If I had found Bill earlier, it would have been a whole different story. But for retirement, I'm feeling very confident about a retirement. I don't really have any concerns anymore about that. For $100 a year, the dividend machine is a lifesaver. It was a game changer for me, actually. It was able to take me from being totally clueless about trading in the stock market to being very successful today. I had 2 positions I just bought, and I bought one in January and another one beginning of February, and they're up like 15 and 29%. So one's up like almost 18% in a month, another one 29 in a little bit less than 2 months. But my other returns have been high, 80%, 43, and I could just go on and on, but they have been extremely good. I just absolutely love his newsletter. He has been phenomenal for our portfolio. So I gained back everything I lost and then some in a year and a half. So I'm really have been so excited about his newsletter, as you can tell. I'm pretty passionate about owning the dividend machine because it has totally changed how I'm able to invest. It's changed our gains, which have been very high. And it's given us so much peace of mind that I cannot imagine being without it. My name is Lynn Gibson, and I am a passionate dividend machine investor.